Your network gives you your net worth. How do you grow your network when we've got pandemics, lockdowns, and some new Delta variant coming around? So let's check out LinkedIn as an option. I've got my profile loaded up here. Then you can see it's got the basic stuff. And at one time, LinkedIn was only about keeping your resume up to date. Now, thankfully, it's no longer just about that. We've got name, pronunciation key. There's actually a little animated video right there. You can click and watch that. You can only do the intro video as well as the audio clip on your smartphone. You can't do that from a desktop. Notifications, these are pretty standard. Something you'll notice here is a post I shared. Now, this is something that was done by Harvey Tool, and I was just sharing a little bit more about that from my own personal experience, as well as, well, because guaranteed trial offers, not a lot of manufacturers know about them. Have you used a guaranteed trial offer before? They are a fantastic way to make sure you get the best solution and you're not just stuck paying for all these different tools and you never know if they're going to work out. But then going into that, because Harvey's got a great article here, then it leads it open for other people you're connected with to ask questions. Here we've got Russ going over asking about some different advantages to using compression cutters, what scenarios I've seen them work. I'm able to reply to give him more information and have a conversation. It's a great way to connect and pick each other's minds and support each other. The whole point of that is to build connections and to build relationships so that you know who in your supply chain you can trust. By connecting, interacting, and growing, and really be those partners in manufacturing, in the supply chain, to be connected, to lift manufacturing up so that everybody prospers. And I'm going to share everything I'm learning on the way with all of you so you can do the same if you so choose. You know that saying, a rising tide lifts all boats. Don't forget, if you're watching on LinkedIn, head on over to YouTube. And if you're watching on YouTube, head on over to LinkedIn so that we're connected on both sides. It's not just about the follower count. It's just the way the algorithms work on social media. It's really easy to miss a notification. I'm putting out 5 videos a week. And if you're enjoying discovering things that you didn't even know existed or different opportunities to create, to find solutions for your shop floor, I just want to make sure that you have the opportunity to discover those. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.